Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make cream easily. To begin, always start with very cold heavy cream, which is crucial for success. For the best outcome, chill your mixing bowl and whisk in the freezer for about 15 minutes beforehand. This simple preparation step makes a significant difference in achieving light, airy cream. You'll be amazed at how quickly it comes together with these initial steps. Now let's talk tools and technique. An electric hand mixer or a stand mixer with a whisk attachment will make this process incredibly simple. Start whipping your cold cream on a low speed, then gradually increase it to medium-high. Continue whipping until you see soft peaks begin to form. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on your mixer's power and the cream's temperature. Understanding peak stages is key to perfect cream. Soft peaks will hold their shape but still look light and airy, gently flopping over when the whisk is lifted. Medium peaks are firmer and hold their shape more distinctly. For stiff peaks, the cream will stand straight up when the whisk is removed, ideal for piping or holding its form for longer. Be careful not to overwhip, or it will turn grainy. Once your cream reaches the desired consistency, it's time to add flavor. For a classic taste, incorporate 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gently fold these in until just combined. Homemade cream is best enjoyed fresh, but you can store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Enjoy your delicious, freshly made cream.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.